What's up, guys? Hope you all having a great weekend. I've been enjoying myself. Just got out of the pool. I've been goofing around all day and still making bank, picking up boxes of medical commodities with ease. Just because I get so many leads, people reaching out to me, and it's just such a simple business model. Flipping diabetic test strips, flipping medical commodities. For example, today, I mean, really, I was planning just to take the day off, but I was getting all these deals I couldn't even refuse, and so I just came home from going in the pool, and then I'm going right to meet my folks for dinner. And so I just had someone real quickly meet me at my house, pick up a whole bunch of boxes. Earlier today, pretty much the same thing. I was getting ready to go on out around the town, so I had someone meet me at my house real quick, picked up a bag of boxes. I'm gonna make over $200 off these two deals that literally took me no time. Just had the clients come right to me. Been having leads, reach out to me all day. That's a nice thing about this business, is you can pick and choose which leads that you want to deal with. The important step is getting the leads coming to you, which is what we teach in the course, how to just get to the point where you have more leads than time. And the beautiful thing about that is then you can cherry pick your leads and choose which leads you want to do, which business opportunities you want to take. And you can, you'll get people that are desperate, just like this guy. He was real desperate, and he just came right to me. We just did the deal real quick in my driveway like a drug deal, and just left. And it's such a simple business model. I like to say I'm an easyologist. I like to master the art of living life with ease, just keeping things simple so that I can enjoy life. That's what life's all about, supposed to be all about. Having fun, enjoying life, living the good life. Not being like a slave working to the rat race in this matrix system that everybody else is stuck into, like a slave, working for corporate America 9 to 5. Screw that. I love being able to just wake up when I want, being able to do what I want for the day, and being able to, work hard, but I'm the one who cracks the whip, and I get to do it on my terms and my time frame, which is the beauty of life. One of my friends, he just hit $10,000 for the month, and he doesn't even have a car, which is awesome. So he just had his first $10,000 month. So I mean, anyone can do this business. Such a simple business model, flipping medical commodities, making money, flipping diabetic test strips. You can do it right from your home. You don't even need a car or vehicle, and you can grow this business. Sky's the limit. I mean, there's so much money to be made in this business. It's not even funny. I mean, I'm barely scratching the surface of the true potential of how much money could be made in this business. I mean, this literally could be turned into like a corporate type business. So, but anyways, guys, hope you're all having a great week. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. And if you're serious about making money and you want to make, a couple thousand, $5,000-$10,000 a month flipping medical commodities, then I highly recommend to get the course. That's the link that's in the description. You can become you can learn all the marketing secrets and also become a part of our private mastermind group, and then also do one-on-one coaching with me as well. I'm coaching a lot more people, and every single person that I coach, unequivocally, is getting awesome results. I get texts, follow-up texts all the time now from people who are just making money so much faster than I ever did, because they're they're just taking all my failures and my mess ups and everything, and learning exactly what to do. So with that being said, guys, hope you're all having a great weekend. Until next time, what I'm gonna say, let's make it a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. Keep picking up them boxes of the medical strips, baby, them diabetic test strips, them medical commodities. And until next time, see ya.